Hey everybody, this is Matt with Pliant Technologies. We're here at InfoComm 2026, and we're in the Pliant Technologies booth. We're looking at our CrewCom wireless that we have right here. So the CrewCom wireless we've had out for some time now, and we're looking at two different systems here that can now crosstalk with our brand new Flex Intercom line. Right here we're looking at our CB2 and our top-end CrewCom system. So both of these wireless systems will work in the 900 meg bands. The CB2 is basically an all-inclusive, all-in-one wireless rack that can go up to 6 users. And our larger CrewCom system, this is our larger distributed system that will work with multiple transceivers for extended wireless coverage. With our half-rack Dante interface, we can make this crosstalk with the existing Flex Intercom that we have now. So now we've got a full suite of intercom products for our customers with wireless, wired, and the virtual. So for more information, check out plianttechnologies.com. Thank you to rAVe. Appreciate you. Enjoy.